Hi, I'm Leo, and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture. First song is Yesterday, the Beatles.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
Siguro yung classmate ko nung first year high school, siya yung nagturo sa akin mag-guitar. Siya nag-start magturo sa akin, then nag-self-study na ako after that. Kaya mo mag-guitar? Okay. Internalize, mag-isip ng happy thoughts, then ayun, mag-perform. Araw-gabi.
Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayo dalawa.
When I was 15, na-invite ako mag-perform sa Seaside MOA sa May Uno Pizzeria. Tapos, ayun, ang alam ko lang na songs nun is 5 songs lang. So, yung gig is 3 sets. So, sa buong 3 sets na yun, pinaulit-ulit ko lang yung 5 songs. Tapos, ayan. Pumipiyok ako palagi. Then, tumatawa yung mga crew. Pero, ayun, I hope na-enjoy naman nila yung performances. As a singer, I would describe myself as a therapist, siguro. Kasi sabi nila, the sound of my voice is like a warm hug. It's comforting. My mom. Kasi, I'm a mama's boy and I love my mom so much. Happy and excited. Memorable moments ko kanina is yung wala akong nasagot sa sa Chronically Online na test. Ayun, and sobrang fun lang kanina ng set and yung buong experience dito sa Mix. Hi guys, I hope you stream my future songs, future releases, and my current songs on Spotify. Please do follow me on my socials then. And see you sa mga next gigs ko. And please do watch Mix live.